Hi! In front of me is TCL 20 Pro 5G, and today I would like to show you how you can connect it through Bluetooth. First of all, go into Settings. Now choose Bluetooth and click on the switcher to turn it on. After that, click on Pair New Device and wait for available ones to show up. Now click on the one that you want to connect to, wait a bit, select Pair and wait for the other device to accept your connection request. As you can see, my devices were successfully connected. If you wish to disconnect them, you can always click on this gear icon over here and choose Forget. Then Forget Device. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!